Put your head on my shoulder. Hold me in your arms.
What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very special video for you guys. I have a little story time. This literally happened to me yesterday. As you can see by the title, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make friends in 10 minutes, okay? And I'm gonna tell you what happened to me and how I did it. But before we get into all that, make sure you hit the subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. Okay, so basically what happened was I was literally just chilling in bed yesterday. You know, I was scrolling through Instagram and I saw this girl that I follow. Her name is Estevez. I'm gonna post a picture of her right here. She's a beauty guru and a makeup artist, you know, stuff like that. And I've been like following her since I was like 15 and I started doing makeup. So basically I always join her lives in and I stay there for like a minute and I leave. But this time I don't know what happens. I think it was God telling me like, stay bitch, you're gonna regret it if you leave. So I stayed in the live and some girls were asking questions about different foundations and stuff, and I was like, let me comment. I don't usually comment at all. I literally just watch the freaking live. I don't comment at all. But this time I don't know what happened. Like I said, it was God telling me to freaking comment. So I commented and I was like, oh, I use this foundation and this foundation's good, this foundation's bad, blah blah blah. You know, it was all about makeup. Like everyone there was literally talking about makeup and stuff. So as the live goes on, you know, not a lot of people are actually interacting with the Isabella girl. Everyone's literally just talking to each other about makeup. So basically after a while, everyone was literally just talking to themselves, like talking to each other, and some of the people were actually adding me and like responding directly to me. So I was like, oh, these people look kind of cool, you know. So then I left the live and I went to follow like some of the people that were responding to me, and they followed back and all that stuff. That was cool. Then I went back to the live. I don't know, I just felt like everyone was talking about shit that was like entertaining to me, so I went back. And then a girl named Taylor suggested that we started a group chat. Everyone was like, yes, like let's start a group chat on Instagram or whatever. I didn't think she was actually gonna do it. Like I was like, oh yeah, let's make a group chat or whatever. And she was like, bet I'll make a group chat right now. You know, like time went on. She didn't even respond to the live after that. And I was like, oh, whatever, if it happens, it happens, you know. Bitch, she made the fucking group chat on Instagram and she added so many people, and then people were adding each other like from the live and stuff. And you know, everyone was just talking about makeup and stuff. They even added Isabella, which was the person making the live, and she was actually responding and stuff. Yeah, so it was really cool. And I remember someone asked if everyone on there had iPhones, and surprisingly everyone did, you know, another sign from God. So the same Taylor girl took everyone's phone numbers. We all put our phone numbers in the Instagram group chat. This girl literally made a freaking iMessage group chat. Like, can I say a queen? Can we just take a moment to acknowledge this queen? Cause I could never. So yeah, sis made a freaking group chat with over like, I think there's over like 15 people in that group chat. I'm not sure, there might be more, there probably is more, but that shit was popping. Like, you know when you get in a group chat and like not everyone's responding, or like it dies down the next day? Sis, these girls constantly respond. Like, you know, a person who texts back fast, that's this fucking group chat. So yeah, so literally everyone was just talking about, we started talking about makeup, and then we started exchanging YouTubes, exchanging Twitters, and all that type of stuff. I just thought it was such a positive thing, and it was so like cute to me. I've never done that. Like I've literally never been in a group chat, to be honest with you guys, like a big group chat of people who like actually like want to connect with each other and stuff. And I think that's so good. And some of these girls have YouTubes, and I'm going to link them all in the description, so you better go check them out and subscribe, period. The only downside is that these girls do live very freaking far from me. Like 4 of them live in LA, 1 of them lives in New York, like 2 of them live in Florida, and I think 1 of them lives in Texas. Like, that's the only downside. But no, seriously, I'm really happy that this happened. Like I feel like this is what I needed during quarantine. I feel like it's just really nice that we can all support each other, you know, with makeup and stuff like that, and with YouTube specifically. And I just really feel like I met some really good people. So shout out to everyone in the group chat, because I know that you guys are probably watching this. So yeah, shout out to you guys, period. So all because of a live, this happened. So that is literally the story of how I made like 20 different friends in a matter of literally 10 minutes. I hope you guys enjoyed, and you guys better go check out their channels. The links are in the description, like I said before. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little story time, and I hope you guys take my advice and go into a live about makeup if you're interested in makeup or anything else that you're interested in, and literally just recommend a group chat and 9 times out of 10 everyone's gonna say yes. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little story time. If you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below if you're going to try this method, or if you have tried this method and a group chat has been made because of this. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.